Paragon is a popular way to ship integrations fast, but its architecture, syncing and storing customer data, creates production trade-offs. By replicating data on a schedule, it introduces latency, storage concerns, and ongoing sync maintenance. Because of this, teams are evaluating alternatives based on their core data architecture. First, there's Unified, a real-time, pass-through unified API that never stores customer data, making it ideal for live data and AI use cases. Then there's Merge, a sync and store unified API with strong normalized schemas, best for HRIS and reporting workflows where cache data is sufficient. Finally, Nango offers code-first infrastructure, giving teams full control to build and manage the entire pipeline if they're willing to own the complexity. The fundamental difference is how data flows, replicated and stored, or fetched live on request. This choice impacts everything from data accuracy and latency to your compliance scope. While speed is important, architecture is the long-term game. How your integration platform handles data will define how your product behaves in production.